Hello everybody, today we're doing a video for GTA Car Kits in a Tesla Model 3. As you can see, we installed our new digital display cluster into this car, and it provides you with convenient information right in front of your eyes, like the mileage, your kilometers. It will also show miles, your gear position, the current light switch, all the charging information, time, date, and so on. You're able to also change it to a light mode, which we'll show you now. And now we're gonna show you how to install it into this particular Tesla. So inside the box, you're gonna get the actual screen, and this is the harness that gets plugged into the back of the screen, and this portion of the harness will plug in behind the vents between the two rear seats. And also you get the panel removal tool, and also we recommend getting a T45 Torx because we're gonna undo some bolts for the seat. So this end of the cable, our main goal is to have it come out here in the middle, and to do that we're gonna use our panel removal tool. I'm gonna start right here to undo this clip and remove the side panel. Then we will also pull back the weather stripping at this point because we're gonna feed the wire down. And once you unclip on top, then there's also a hook at the bottom. Then we will grab this entire dash piece and we're gonna pull it towards ourselves in order to create this gap. So the wire will go there, and you need to hide it underneath the gray panel. Make sure that the wire goes around. We're gonna have it come over here where the weather stripping was, and at this point you can clip back the dashboard piece. And all you have visible is this cable where we're gonna connect our display. Here, we're gonna go down all the way here, and our goal is to go underneath the seat so we can hide everything underneath this carpet. So we will remove the weather stripping. Now you can assemble some of the stuff back, like putting this piece back. Clip this in, and you can put back the weather stripping. Then over here you're gonna lift up this door sill piece, and there's a clip right here that you need to get around. And once you have everything, all the wire on the inside, then you can put back the rest of the weather stripping. So here we showed you our T45 Torx. To remove the seat, it's pretty easy. So there's two bolts in the front, two at the back. We have the seat all the way to the back. Now we'll move the seat all the way to the front. So these are the two bolts at the back. Now we can lift up the seat, and we're gonna get our wire underneath. There's some pins here which you have to slide under. Then you can see that there's open space there in the carpet to hide your wire nicely. So we need to get it all the way towards the center console, and then it can be hidden right there. Just make sure to take your time and hide it nicely. Get our tool over here, and you just push it towards yourself, and then you can use your fingers to remove the rest. And once we're here, we can press on the clip to disconnect this connector. We will take our harness and plug in the original one into it. You can plug in our end, and then there's space down there where you can kind of push in the harness, the extra wire. You can tie it up nicely and hide it in that space. Once you push everything in, you can cover everything. We will bolt the seat back, both at the back and the front. So this is our display. We bolted the seat back, and now we're gonna connect it. So this is the wire which we showed earlier. You just plug it in, and at the bottom here there is double-sided tape. So now that it's mounted, you're just gonna make adjustments to the settings. So you're gonna hold the right button on the steering wheel towards the passenger, and you're gonna have these settings pop up. On the side, you can also change these colors. They change, or you can just turn them off. That's light and that's dark. So that's you can choose either of those. And at this point the installation is complete. Again, this was a video for GTA Car Kits. I hope you liked it, and we'll see you next time.